Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of delay on the application of Chase App. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page we go to Chase App and you will enter here. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then this page of storage we click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next